Hello guys! Guess what I had? Natanggap ko na yung delivery ng aking order from Amazon. Guys, mag-open tayo ng aking hauling order. Amazon! Yan. Ang bilis kaya ng Amazon. I ordered the last one, only one day lang. Tapos natanggap ko na agad. Ang expectation ng order ko is June 1. But wala pang June 1. Now, it's here. Now, ngayon, open natin ito. Okay, guys? Alam niyo guys, ano ito? In-order ko talaga to. Okay, guys? So, it should be like this. Okay, guys? Buksan natin. Dito. Alam niyo kung ano? Guess natin kung ano ito. I'm so excited! Oh my God, guys. Ito na siya. Ito talaga. Grabe talaga ako magbukas, no? Walang kaawa. Okay, guys. Yan. Look. See, guys. Talaga lang, guys. What is this, guys? Yes. Yan. Guys. I got it. Look. RashaGanVlog. Ito guys, yung RashaGan ko. Hindi ito siya mataas kasi meron na akong tripod, okay? So, ito lang siya. Ito siya guys, kumbaga, multifunctional siya, na pwede ko siyang gamitin pag ganyan, or ganito. Okay guys, buksan natin ito. Baka mabasag. We will open first ito. Okay guys, open natin. Excited lang kayo guys. Excited na rin ako guys. Oh, maganda siya. Guys, look. Nan. Oh my bo, talaga siya. It's my color, my favorite color. Right. Okay guys, buksan natin to. Unahin ko siyang buksan. So, I want to see. Oh, yan. Guys, pwede siya. Pwede anywhere. Oh, diba? Ha? Pero I want to make this straight, okay? Mas maganda kasi pag straight lang. Then, yung, paano ba? I will try natin guys. Paano? Okay. So, well, ito, sandali saglit guys, okay? Ilapag natin siya dito. Okay. Then, we will open the ring light. Okay. Ito yun guys, oh. See? Oh, see? Okay. Ayan. Ito guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano, to. Paano ba? Okay. Oh, see guys. Meron siyang sariling charger. At guys, meron siyang tawag dito. Maganda. It's so nice. So, I want to try. Pero paano ba? Siglit guys ha. Siglit ha. Kasi, ganito siya. Ganito. Alam ko na guys. Ito siya guys. Pinaikot ko lang ito dahil I want to put it up. So, kung mas tataas na siya, so, i-lock ko lang. I-sure lang natin yung lock kasi baka matumba siya. Ganito. So, pwede ko na siyang ganito. Guys, ilalagay ko na itong light. Okay. Okay. Ilagay natin yung light. Okay. Hindi maka-ayon. Hilap kasi bago pa na. See guys, ito yung mga pakapahan niya. natin ito. Saglit ha. Hindi ko, kasi may ganito pa siya eh. Meron siyang ito. Tingnan natin guys. I-open ko lang. Yan. Baka dito yun. Dito yun siya. Yan nga. Dito nga guys. So, tingnan nyo. Oh, sorry. Dito nga. Tapos, okay. Pwede siyang ganito. Pwede siyang ganito. Then, maganda kasi may roll balls. Okay guys. Now, alright. Oh my God. Okay guys. Lalagyan na natin. Ay, tama ba to? Or tama siguro. Tama. Tama lang guys, tama. Yung ginagawa ko ay tama. Okay guys, yan. Na-sure ko na siya. Yeah! Okay guys, now, ito naman ang lagayan ng mobile. So, ganito guys. Pwede, kaano ba kala? Oh, pwede, any. Yeah. Tapos ito guys, ganito. Oh. Ganito yata, pwede. I'll try. Kasi hindi pa naman natin na-try, diba? Oh. Ano naman, alloy naman kasi. Maganda kaya guys. I like it. And I like. Thank you, Amazon! Okay. And then, try ko sa mobile ko. Guys ha. Kasi pag malaki ang mobile, ewan ko lang pwede. Okay guys, ayan na. Ito na siya guys. I did try. Na-try ko na siya. Okay. Saglit. Pero I don't know it's from where. Para sa for what is this? Saglit guys, isindin lang natin kasi hirap ka. Hirap kasi new ako. So ganito, walang instruction. Sige guys, sige lang tayo ng sige. Para din pala. Bale, extra niya lang. Ito, extra. Okay guys. Okay, go ahead. Balik natin. Extra kasi. Okay guys. Did you see guys? Did you see? Yan. Ngayon, we will try this. We'll try this. Kung gagana. Kung wala, hindi sorry. Wala tayong magawa. It's a bad luck. But it's fine. I know it will work. Bismillah. Okay guys. You have to wait for me. And I will try. I-try ko lang guys ha. I don't know how to open. Hindi ko alam kung saan ba yung na-open. Oh my God. Ito guys, nasa baba na. Sa baba lang kasi. It's going What's going on? Okay guys. Now guys, switch go. Oh my God guys, how was that? Look at me. Okay. I don't like the the way you are moving. Okay. Hello guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa aking ring light. And I love it! Thank you so much, Amazon! Okay guys, thank you. So, ay ano natin, pwede tayong guys, nag-iba ba yung kulay? Okay guys. Meron siyang red, pero see, ang galing talaga. I love it too much. Ano to? Dito. Pang light. Okay guys, nakita nyo naman siguro. Good. Okay guys, i-off ko na. Well, now, dito na ako. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you for this light. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. First, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make friends more.